Okay, so what do we need now? We need some crew. We need to just get the crew up there. That's our next goal. So we only have the big docking ports, so we're gonna use this.
And for building this ship, I actually had the Dragon Crew capsule by SpaceX in mind when I built this. And I'm gonna build something similar using these structural parts. I'm gonna put a fuel tank in there. I have a reaction wheel. I'm gonna put some RCS thrusters on soon and some mono propellant, of course, up there. And now we're gonna put the thrusters outside and the big docking port down there. And hopefully this works, so let's try and hover with it.
I should put capsule at the end of it as well. Because they always call it capsule, because it is a capsule. And then we actually have the crew on as well. I think I'm gonna do like this the first time. I'm gonna fly up Bob and Bell, and then I'm gonna return this to Kerbal with Jebediah Kerman. And then we're gonna make something funnier to fly them up with. But we're gonna try this out. Just gonna start the engines. Damn, that's loud. Let's see if we can hover with it.
And it works very well. It hovers good, but there was one problem with this, and that was, well, the landing.
Okay, not the most graceful landing there, but I think everything in here is intact. Looks like it. I don't know what it was that exploded. The decoupler. Oh yeah, it was the decoupler. Whoa, parachute. Yeah, okay. Let's just revert this to vehicle assembly. And I guess let's put it on our SSTO rocket. Let's just do that. Yeah. Capture. Save that and let's merge the where do I have it? SSTO rocket. Yeah. Let's reroute part so we can put this on, and we can actually just fly it like this. We don't need a fairing. And this has 6,000 meters per second, so yeah, we definitely have enough. Release that and take those. No. Yeah, those are not stages. That's another station. That. So yeah, everything is gonna go well. Let's just launch these guys up. Let's see if we can get them to our space station.
And once again, we are going to fly this enormous SSTO rocket to orbit with Kerbals for the first time. Actually, I haven't flown any Kerbals at all in this save yet. These are the first Kerbals that are going up to our space station. And once again, doing some tweaking here to get our trajectory right, so we can put our vessel in a parking orbit next to the space station.
Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna decouple this. Let's decouple. And here we have them. It's gonna point them retrograde to the target. And we are gonna use some RCS here to just move ourselves out of the way in the right way. And we're gonna start burning some. To try and fix this intercept a little bit.
And here you can see we are just trying to get closer and closer to the space station with our crew capsule that is called the Crew Unicorn capsule after the Crew Dragon, but I thought Unicorn felt like a better choice. And now we're just parking a bit next to it to wait for the sun to come out so we can see something. And now we're gonna try and dock this, but my docking has been a bit off lately, and well, you will see how it goes now.
I'm trying to get closer now. 4 meters per second is pretty good. And then I'm gonna slow myself down just as I approach the last second here. I'll slow myself down to about 1 meter per second, and oh, we messed that up. Yeah, or I messed that up. I'm not blaming anybody else but myself.
Yeah, my docking seems to have gone worse over the years, actually, not better. But I've heard that that's actually a glitch, that you drive away like that. But anyways, we got it docked.
Let's once again press the I don't know what it's called, the key, but the key you use to put on caps. And we are docked, and using that you get these blue, and that makes the corrections smaller, which is very good. Okay, so now we have them in orbit. We're gonna move. First of all, we're gonna move Bill. Yeah, Bill. He's gonna be sitting here doing all the controls and stuff like that. And Bob, we're gonna move you to the science lab so he can do some science in there. Because of course we need to do science while we are up in space. That's why you go to space, to do science. And everything seems to be working. We get our solar energy. We have a lot of batteries. And now all we have left to do is to take Jeb back home. Actually, he's gonna go back home. And I don't think we need anything more in this. I'm gonna check how much monopropellants we have left. Oh, I had it there. I thought it was like half full, so it's not gonna be any problem. And also we have a lot of fuel in this as well. But yes, that's the end of this. Let's say goodbye to Jebediah Kerman. And actually we should have probably left him on there until we're gonna do our burn back burn, but actually it looks like we're gonna do that right now.
And yes, we did. We did start our burn right here, and the first try is always the hardest, because you have to think of the fact that you are gonna lose some weight while you decouple that, and yes, my trajectory was off. So I decided to try this one more time with the trajectory pointing directly at the target, and then move forward a bit. And now it seems like we're gonna land directly on the Kerbal Space Center. But no, sadly enough, I don't know if something is wrong with my trajectories mod, but we didn't get close enough. But we did land, jettison the heat shield there, and now we're gonna see Jeb walk out of here.
And we have landed. Wonderful. And Jebediah Kerman is jumping out just to check the vehicle. It seems to be holding up. Wonderful. No idea to deploy a flag here. It is actually a first on this landing a capsule. I haven't had any Kerbals even up in space until this day in this save. I just started with the space station. No problem, puppy.
Well, that is it for me for this time. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in part 4.